Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a Volstar Rubik's Cube. It seems pretty hard, but once you get used to it and kind of know how it works, it gets easier. Now the method I use is the 3x3 beginners method on a 3x3 right here, because a Volstar is just a 3x3 in a very strange form. So one thing to note while solving it is that the gray colors right here don't really matter. The main colors you want to focus on are the other colors. So in this case, your blue color will be your right side. And I'll be doing this the beginner method as well. So what you're going to want to do is have your right turns and left turns as 3x3 and make a cross. Here's our cross. Ignore the corners. I'll get them out of the way, so might not see them. And then, as you see below it, you want these two colors to match. There's that one. And then these two need to swap. And then there, all these match. Now the corners, these two are easy, but then I'll tell you a little bit on these ones. So this one, orange, blue, and then over here, there's only one other blue one. Now, you may be thinking that, is this right? Because there's two here and there's also two down here. Well, I'm not sure, because this corner piece is a 3x3 corner piece, but one color. So this corner right here could be turned in the wrong direction. So when it's solved, it'll look like that. So you can't tell if it's in the correct position or not. So that's why I kind of just hope it is. And you can tell on the last step. So now you do the second layer right here. This piece goes here. Do the 3x3 algorithm for that. And then goes on the left. Do another algorithm. And this one, this piece right here, goes right. This is a little clicky too. Have your half star. Now you have your star. And this part is also tricky, because you also now need to know what the corners are, but you can't tell what these two are, because these two right here could be turned in any direction. So we can try to know what we have and try based off that. So we have a corner right here, green up, with green sideways right here. I assume maybe this one is pointing at me, and so it'll be the basic 3x3 algorithm. Which looks like I was right. These two green are up, but I think these two green are up. I can't know for sure, but I assume it is. Now, looks like we have the corners in the correct spots, because this is a solvable 3x3 case. You have your two here and two here, which on a 3x3, Let me see if I remember this. I don't remember the algorithm, but it's when you have 2 here and 2 here. So I'm just going to solve it slowly since I forgot the algorithm. Have this side solve here, even with 3 colors left. This right here is the same as this. Have your solved side on the back. Corner there, corner there, corner there. So it's basically a lost step now. Now, it should be solved, and if you have a case where these 2 colors need swapped, then that means that one of these corners right here is in a wrong position. So you need to take out the corner and then flip it and then put it back in. So basically, if you have 2 opposite colors, that means pretend these 2 corners are the one-piece corners. They could be turned like this, and you can't even notice because they're just one color. So hopefully this tutorial was helpful. It's basically a 3x3 logarithms beginner method, and hopefully that helped you out. Goodbye.